We're at the Workhouse Arts Center for our 9th annual Tour de Mount Vernon bike ride. It's an amazing ride. We get to tour the southern part of the Mount Vernon district. We'll spend either 20 or 40 miles depending upon the ride that you want. You know, getting people out of their house, and whether it's running or riding or walking, is a great way to stay healthy and fit and frankly connect with your neighbors and friends and build the relationships that really are so important to good health and longevity. We have people from all walks of life. We have judges and politicians and clerks and you name it, they're here because they enjoy just getting out on their bike and frankly spending the morning out in this really beautiful weather.
I decided to join the ride today because I really like getting out and exercising. I wanted to hang out with my sister and her boyfriend, and I don't know, I just like getting up on a Saturday morning and starting my day with some coffee and bike riding.
I like to sign up for cycling events, and whenever there's one in the area, I sign up for it, and that's what I did. It's relatively close to where I live, and it's a beautiful day, and why not?
We are having our 2nd annual family bike ride. We will have kids of frankly all ages, but mostly will probably 5 to 15 years old. They'll be riding about 3 miles in this area. We're going to have safety demonstrations and a bike rodeo and just really other things to kind of get family and kids connected.
So this is a bike rodeo, and it's part of the annual Tour de Mount Vernon bike ride, and I started it for my Girl Scout Gold Award, and it's just like a service project you do to better the community. So I heard this was happening and I wanted to add on a kids ride because I think bike safety is important, making sure kids are wearing their helmets and know, to stop for cars and stuff. I also want them to have fun, so.
I like this event because I like riding bikes. I like this event because I like riding bikes.
Come on out for next year. If you didn't get a chance to make it this year, we're going to have our 10th annual ride. We'll be in the northern part of the district and ride around Mount Vernon Estate and along the river. It'll be a fantastic ride.